Now, after this, you guys can skip this part. This is a bit too much. No need to get that. Now, as I had told you from the machine, what is the machine? This machine, you get psi, and what is the psi you get? You get psi r and psi theta phi, right?
Yes,
This
Bhaiya.
till here we got started. Now we have to come. You skip these two pages. Now we come here. Okay. So if you see, this is psi 1s. Okay. This is psi 1s. You see this equation. Here you see pi is a constant, z is atomic number, a is Bohr's radius, I think, right, Monolina? A is Bohr's radius or some constant. If not Bohr's radius, this is constant, and this whole thing is a constant, right? Then what is left? Psi s 1s is e power minus z r by a, which is again nothing but e into k into r. Like this is again z by is a constant, right? So E equals to minus KR. All the non-maths people raise your hands. All the non-maths people. Okay. Did you guys understand what I just told? What after this you already had, Midhansh, you already had understood this, right? Till here. Midhansh. Okay, Mangala, you speak. You understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, you the psi 1s you got is this, right? This is constant, this is constant, this is constant, all of this is constant. What is left? E power minus z r upon a, right? Now z a is also constant. What you get? E power minus k r, right? K is constant. Okay, Mangala.
Z,
So
sir, Z
you,
is atomic number, no?
yeah, z is atomic number, which is constant. Let's say if we talk about hydrogen, it will be 1. If we say lithium, then it will be 3. So z is a constant.
Okay. Okay,
Now
sir, for particular element, it is a constant.
it is a constant. Now, what is the graph of e power minus kr or e power minus kx? If this is y and this is x, what is graph of e power x minus kx? Someone tell me what is the graph of e power minus kx?
It's like say at x equals 0, it's at infinity, and at x equals infinity, it goes to 0.
Yes. And at x equals to 0, it will be
It will
1.
be close.
One.
And
At
Bhaiya,
x equals
since
to
K
0,
is multiplied, so it should be, I mean, more,
Minus
क्या
K.
बोलते हैं उसको, वो खिंचाएगा, I mean
it
स्ट्रेच
should
हो
be just
जाएगा x
it
एक्सिस
should
पे.
be just
Mid.
opposite of e power plus k. E power
My.
plus k is this way. It will be just mirror image of this,
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, sir.
right? This is what you get. Now, since there is nothing called now this is x, right? X is what? Our radius, right? Is there something called negative radius? Mega Mangala?
No, Bhaiya.
No, sir.
No, right? So this part will not be there. That means what will be the graph? Just this much. So what you will get is for 1s, the graph will be psi 1s will be like this, and it will go to till infinity, and it will decay. It is like this, and this is r. That's what you see here. See here, right?
Yes, sir.
Now for psi 2s. Psi 2s, what you have? You have this is constant, this is constant, this is constant. You have 2 minus z upon r upon a into e power minus z r upon 2a. Okay, can someone tell me what are the 2 points? It will be 0. It will be 0 when this thing becomes 0, or
ZR.
this thing becomes 0, or both become 0, right? This thing
Yes,
cannot
Bhaiya.
become 0. It
Yes,
can
sir.
only become 0 at infinity. It cannot become 0. So it will become 0 only when 2 minus z r upon a becomes 0. So
Basically,
when this
ZR
becomes
by
0,
is
r
equals to
equals
2.
to r equals to 2a by z,
That's it.
right? So at this point,
Yes, Bhaiya.
this will just cross the axis. So you had till now here, right? For 2s, it will cross once here and come back and again start degrading like this. So it will be like you start from here, come down, it will start coming here and it will go till infinity.
Like the potential
Yeah,
energy
yeah,
come.
yeah, exactly. Like but here it will also come to y-axis. So this is psi 2s. Similarly, for psi 2p, what you get something like this. Why do you get something like that? Because if you all notice something, for 1s, okay, for 1s, since s orbital is spherically symmetric, right, Mangala? S orbital is spherically symmetric, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is no psi theta phi. See, this is nothing. This whole thing is nothing but psi, which is equal to psi r and psi theta phi. In psi 1s, uh, in psi 1s, psi r is this whole thing, e power minus z r upon a. But psi theta phi is what? Mangala, tell me, what is psi theta phi in psi 1s?
Angle.
Yeah, what is the value? You already have equation here. It is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 in all angles. It is 1. That's why it is spherically symmetric.
Okay, sir.
No, no, no. You did not understand. See, this is what? This is a function in terms of r, right? Psi r.
That is radius, no, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So it is in terms of radial, right? So I told you there should be a radial part of wave function and there should be angular part, theta and phi. But where is this? Where is this here? It is just equal to 1. Okay, you can just say this into 1.
For here, is it 1?
Yes, for 1s, it is psi 1s, it is this whole function, this what is written here, into 1, and
Okay,
this thing, this
then
is
for
psi r.
side is it 2?
Huh?
Is it 2 for side 2s?
No, 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 it's not 2. Okay, do you see any function in terms of theta or phi here? Do you see anything for 2s? Do you see anything theta or phi here? No, right? You don't see
No.
anything in theta and phi. So it is here also, it is 1. Where do you see theta and phi? Where do you see theta and phi? You see here. Where do you see 2px, 2py, and
2pz.
2pz? Hana? For
Yes,
2px,
sir.
what is the psi theta phi? Let me ask someone else. Lipi, are you here?
Sine.
Yes, Priya.
What is psi theta phi? What is the angular part of wave function for 2px?
Base
You
sin
already.
theta cos phi.
Yes, yes, exactly. So psi theta phi for 2px is sine theta into cos phi. And what is psi 2s radial function? Let me ask Medhansh. Medhansh to gaya pe chodo. Shravani.
Yeah, it's 1 by 4, 2 pi minus half into
Yeah,
z by
this
a 3 by 2 whole term
and till what? Till what?
till e raised to the power minus z r
Yeah,
by 2a.
this thing. So basically a constant here, a big constant, this 1 by 4 2 pi in something, and r into e power minus zr upon 2a, right? Well done. So this is it, guys. Okay, that's what I wanted to all of you to know. This is almost done. We are almost done.
Now I
So
got it, sir.
yeah, so from this, see, that's why I told you to tell me last story from Dalton to, you know, from Dalton to Bohr to then Heisenberg, then de Broglie, and then again Schrodinger's equation. You put it in a machine, you will get the equation. Then from the psi, you will get this kind of function. And what is this function? This function is nothing but like this. Now you see there is no angular part here, right? That's why it is spherically symmetric. That's why it is S. Here also it is S because there is no angular part. In Px, what you see the angular parts, right? Now you will, if you come to Px, graph of Px, you see that it is not spherically symmetric. What is the p orbital? P orbital is like this, right? So actually the p orbital, if I draw the next axis also, it is like this. So okay, let me draw again. So 1 minute. So probability for S is like this. Okay, let's say this is nucleus. Okay, there is center in nucleus. So if S is like this, the probability of S is decreasing like this. Okay, from the both side of the nucleus. This is S1s. Okay, psi 1s. Now for 2 pi 2p, let's say x. Okay, it will be, what do you see here? It will be like this, right? Dumbbell. So you get here something and here something. That's how we get the shape of 2px as this. Did you guys get this part?
Yes, we.
Yeah, now there is nothing extra. Now there is nothing extra. Okay, all you need to know is how to plot graph. Now once you understand what this equation is, that it is nothing but a radial part and an angular part. Now can someone tell me what is definition of a node? What do you see in 1s? What is a
The
We can't find
Where
any
the
Armstrong.
region where
Yeah.
the probability is almost zero.
yes?
Tends
Okay,
to zero.
what is the probability? What is the probability? Let's say this is psi 1s, right? So what will be the probability here? It will be psi 1s mod square. This will be density, and we'll just multiply it with volume dv, whatever. So
Yes,
since,
Bhaiya.
yeah, so but basically we'll consider this because we anyway have volume and we can multiply it. So this will be the modulus square, right? Now if there is a function like this and if you just square it, the graph comes like this. When this function like this and you square it, graph comes like
Yeah,
this.
mirror image.
No, there's something problem here. I think it should be this and this. No. It should be this and this. Monolina?
हाँ भैया
I think there's this problem with this 2s square, right? It should be
या
like this.
उसका जो
हाँ.
इनिशियल जो पहले नीचे का जो पार्ट है दैट इज टू क्लोज टू द ग्राफ वो नहीं दिख रहा है
Okay. So basically it was like this, and so
हाँ
when we did the square, so basically it was odd function. Now it becomes even function. Non-match people, don't worry what this is. What it simply means is, let's say you have a graph like this, and it comes up and it comes down and like this. Okay, let's say you have graph like this. Now if you just square the function, the graph which you will get is, if you square it is, जो भी plus में था, this was plus part, right? Plus y and minus y. So it will be here, whatever was plus will be there. Now whatever was minus, it will also go up. So it will become like this. And then whatever was plus will always be there. So it will be like this. And whatever was minus, it will also go up and it will become like this. And similarly like this. So the graph will become something like this, like this. And that is why you see various graphs. Okay. Now, so are you guys getting it? What are these various graphs? So if someone now let me tell you what is node. Node is this. Okay, this is the node. Node is point where the wave function changes its sign. So this is y-axis, right? So here it was plus, here it was minus. So this question is very important and might come in exam. You have p orbital, right? And you say this lobe is positive and this lobe is negative, right? What does this mean? This means simply that there is a node. When there is a sign change, because there is a node. So node is nothing but the distance at which the value of psi wave function becomes positive to negative, or it becomes negative to positive. It can also be like this. And this is also a node. Okay. So did all of you get my point? What is the node?
Yes, भैया.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Bhaiya.
Bhaiya.
Now,
Yes,
yeah, this seems a better diagram. Tell me, guys, how many nodes? एक minute. How many nodes in this graph? This is psi 1s.
zero,
0.
0.
zero.
भैया वो
Zero.
लिखा हुआ है सब.
इससे साइड में लिखा हुआ है. हाँ.
Okay. In this, how many nodes? I'll ask someone. Ved. अच्छा वेद का तो शादी है. कोई बोलो. Okay. This. How many nodes here?
1.
2,
How many?
2.
What are those two nodes? You see here, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. Tell me the value. At what point we have known? We have at this
भैया the
point
value
and
is
this point.
too small.
1 and 2.
0
Okay,
से
no
5 के बीच में and 5 से
Yeah.
10 के बीच में.
Yeah, so 1 and 2. There are two nodes here. How many nodes here? In this 3p.
1.
1. Because here it
One.
has changed positive. Here it is sign change and there is no sign change after that. Similarly, nothing here. Now, if you just square it, okay, if you just take the probability density and multiply with volume also. So as you know that there was r here, right? Let's say e power r into e power some k z r. If you just square it, it becomes r square into e power 2zr. So as r increases, these values keep on increasing. So you see that the second lobe is much bigger than first lobe. It is nothing but mathematics simply. So if you just square it, this graph, it becomes like this. If you just square this graph, it becomes like this. And this is how you get the probability density. Now let me tell you guys where the questions come from, okay? I hope you all understood all these things.
भैया
अगर नहीं, anyone has problem, any problem here till now?
भैया
हाँ.
मतलब वो ये फंक्शन देख के हम लोग प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते ग्राफ को या बस रिमेम्बर करना होगा ग्राफ को?
You don't need to do you don't need to remember or anything. You just need to know if the graph is given to you. Are you able to interpret? क्योंकि अभी तक if I would have given you graph, right, you would have become afraid. These graphs are very scary, right? If someone gives this graph in question, it is scary. That's why I'm teaching you this graph. So that now it is not scary at all. You know that this is psi and this is radian. And this is just that there is a node here and there is a node here, and you can also convert this into probability. Now let me tell you. Let me give you let's say 2s, okay? Psi 2s. What is psi 2s? Arey yaar. Psi 2s. It is 1 by 4 2 pi power minus 1 by 2 z by a power 10% battery. What the hell? But by 2 minus z r upon a into e power minus z r upon 2a. Find r at which there is a node. There is a node. Now you guys find out. I'll ask you in 1 minute. I'll go and bring the charger. Till then you all solve the question, okay? Find all r's, okay? All the values of r at which your psi will you have a node. Where do you have a node? Other way of telling that you have a node is, see, psi will change sign only when it will crosses the origin, right? It has to become 0. It was plus, then become 0, and then become minus, right? So node is what? When there is a sign change, and when there is a sign change, there should be value of psi should be 0 at that point, right? And that's how you find out. So all you need to do
भैया
is
show me the question.
all you need to do is just put this equal to 0 and you will find out. So find out what is the value of r, and yeah, tell me. Okay guys, tell me value of r. क्या हो रहा है चैट में? क्या हो रहा है? जिसको आंसर बन जाता है चैट में मत लिखा करो, क्या? कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ. Okay, now let me ask Jay. Tell me what is the value of r? How did you find it?
सर 2 माइनस जो है 2z by a 2r by a, जब ये 0 हो
ZR
जाएगा
by
then you will get 2z by a. When this becomes 0, you'll get the value of r.
Why this will not become 0?
Sir, this cannot be 0. It can only be 1 or above.
Or 1 or below 1, above 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, yeah. Now let me give you guys one more question. Okay, let's say this is some imaginary orbital. I don't know. I'm just creating another orbit. Okay. Now, no. First, before that, tell me people who could not do this. Okay. First, tell me do this. Then I will give you next question. Anyone who could not do this, I will explain it.
Sir, I could not do.
Who was it?
Sir, me, Sir Mangala.
Mangala. Okay. What is the problem? What do you need to do to find our node? I have given you psi here, right? What do you need to do to find node?
It should be equal to 0.
Then you put 2 psi equals to 0. Psi 2 is equals to 0. Then okay. Then do you think this can become 0? Let's say 2 into something 2 minus 2 into 2 minus x upon 1 into e power minus 5 x equals to 0. Can this 2 become 0?
No, sir.
No, right? Similarly, all of these things are constant, right? This is all constant. This cannot become 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This cannot
Yes,
become
sir.
0. This can become 0.
Yes, sir, it can become 0.
So 2 minus x upon 1 can become 0, right?
Yes, sir.
And can this become 0? So you're a non-match. That's why you're having problem. So you need to, I hope function में पहुंचे हो. Like, did Soumya teach you graph of e power
Yes,
minus
Bhaiya.
x, all
Yes,
these things?
sir.
So Mangala, you
Yes,
should be
sir.
knowing then, right? What is the graph of e power minus x? E power minus x. It is this. Is it 0 anytime? It never crosses origin. Okay, it is always positive. Whether x is positive or
Okay, sir.
negative, it is always positive. So this can become 0 or not, Mangala? Tell me.
No, sir.
It cannot become 0, right? So what can
Yes,
become 0? Only this. When this becomes
yes, sir.
0, what you get? 2 equals to x upon 1, and you get x equals to 2 into 1. You get 2. That's how you do it.
Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Now let me give you guys another question. Some hypothetical orbit. Okay, let's say psi equals to again. Yeah, let me give you 1 by 4 root 1 upon 2 pi. Then this z upon a power 5 by 2. This is z. Okay. Then r square plus 2r. No. R square minus 1 into e power into r1, into e power minus zr upon 3a. This is the psi. Okay, find radial nodes. You all have 1 minute. It is super easy question. You just need 10 seconds. Even you don't even need to pick up your pen. How will you do? You tell.
I mean, like the first three terms are considered to be constant, so there
This.
will be not in this. So, and e to the power anything cannot make it 0. So
this
these
is
are also
also.
not considered. So r square minus 1 should be 0.
Then
R
how
square
do you
should be
solve this?
1.
R square should be.
That is plus minus 1.
Then. So what is the answer? How many radial nodes it has? So at
1.
what value of r we will get radial nodes?
Sir, 1.
Lippy, you tell me. How many radial nodes?
So there should be two radial nodes then. No, there
Acha,
should be one only.
what are those two radial nodes? Lippy,
Technically there should be two, but then it should be one only.
why one?
Hello?
Yeah, why one?
Because radius cannot be negative, so
Yeah,
minus one
you're
should
right.
not be considered.
So this will be just one radial node here,
So
okay?
plus one only is considered.
So just one radial node. Yeah, you're right. Right? You all got it. Now, that's it. These are the type of question you need to know, okay? Are you guys getting it?
Yes,
That's it.
भैया.
That's all.
Yes, भैया.
Now I can give you one
Bhaiya?
question. Yeah.
In this type of questions, all other things will be constant. Only this part we have to calculate.
No. Now I can give you so many more questions. You know, I will keep other things constant, and this r, this part here. You know, this psi r. This is psi r, right? Here I can give you r into r square plus 2r plus 1 into e power. This thing e power zr upon 5a, like that. Then you can. Then again, what will you do to find out nodes? Let me ask Tanuj.
Yes, भैया.
What will you do here? What will be the radial node here?
भैया, it's giving r is equals to 0 and the second function will not be 0 anywhere. So
Yeah. So yeah, let me give you this question. Just 30 seconds. Let me ask someone else. Jay Khanna, tell me, what are the radial nodes in this?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Mangla, you tell me. Time over.
Sir, 0.
How many radial nodes?
Sir, 0.
0 radial nodes.
So the values of r, is it -1?
How?
By solving quadratic equation.
Acha, how do you solve it?
R square plus r plus 1 is equal to 0. Then split it.
This is
And
2r.
r.
Okay, here you have 2r. This is nothing but r plus 1 ka whole square.
Yes, भैया.
A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ar. 2ab. A plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is nothing but this. All you need to do is solve r into r plus 1 ka whole square equals to 0. Can you make this 0? No. Even if you try to make this 0, r plus 1, you will have to make this 0. R will come to -1. No. Right? This cannot be 0. Only thing which can be 0 is r equal to 0. So it has one radial node. Okay. It does not have 0 radial node. It has one radial node at r equals to 0. So the graph will start something like this.
Sir,
Jay?
I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, if r is equal to 0, then if it has one radial node, then when r is equal to 1, will it have two radial node?
No. Okay. Then put r equals to 1. What you will get? 1 plus.
No, sir, not
You
here,
put
sir. In the previous example, we got the value r is equal to 1. So, is it so the number of radial nodes, will it be 2 or will it be only 1? Because here we got r is equal to 0 and the number of radial nodes is equal to 1.
No. It does not matter. See. It's not that if r is 0, so nodes will be 1. Or r is 1, then nodes will be 2. R is 3, then nodes will be 3 or 4. This is not like this. All you need to do is just solve the equation.
Okay, so
Did you get it?
so
Yeah.
R value gives only the position
Yeah,
or the
R is just
distance.
the position. If you're able to
Okay.
find some position, there will be node. If you're not able to find, let's say there was no R here. If I just give you R square plus 2R plus 1 into e power minus Z by 5e, ZR by 5e, this cannot be 0 and this also cannot be 0. So it will have no nodes. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone having problem till now? Because I'll move to next concept now.
No, bhaiya.
No problem.
No, right? Jay, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Questions will come like this. Okay. Now let me finally tell you. You all have heard, right? How many total nodes are there in terms of NLM? How many radial nodes you have?
N minus L minus 1.
Yes.
N minus.
How many angular nodes?
R minus 1.
No. L.
L minus.
How many total nodes?
N minus 1.
N minus, sorry.
This minus L and plus L will cancel. N minus 1. So for 2S, how many total nodes? Lipi will tell me. Lipi, did you understand this above part? This R square plus 2R wala?
Yes, bhaiya, I got it.
Okay, how many nodes? How many total nodes in 2S? How many total nodes in 2S?
Bhaiya, 1.
How? 2 minus 1.
Bhaiya, N minus.
How many angular nodes in 2S?
Bhaiya, 0.
Yeah, because L equals to 0.
0 for S.
Right? That's it. Yeah. Now, do you know, guys, how this comes? How this comes? You already know. I have told you. How do you find node? How do you find node?
Is this from the generalized equation, like generalized wave function, and उसमें से you just solve it to get
Yes, exactly. So we all know there is only one way to find nodes. Okay, you put psi equals to 0. That's it. Now the psi which we get actually is some constant here. We have seen, right, 1 by 4 pi into root of 1 by 2 pi, something like this, into the polynomial. There is a polynomial. We have seen polynomial, right? I just gave you example of R square plus 2R plus 1 and all those things.
Yes, bhaiya.
I just gave you example. So there is a polynomial and then there is exponential term minus Z R upon some constant here. So there is a some constant and R, e power minus R basically. So there is a polynomial term and there is an exponential term. And this will be psi radial. This will be radial part. This will be radial part. And then there will be angular part here like sine theta, cos phi, like that. Right? Now when there is also angular part, this can also become 0, right? Sine becomes 0 when there is, how much, 180 degree and like that, right? 0 degree sine becomes 0. Phi when it will be 90 degree, cos phi will become 0, right? All those things. So the polynomial which we have, actually it is R power, no, this R into R power n, no. This is actually n minus 1 plus things like this. So maximum R power minus L. Wait. Yeah, so actually the polynomial is like this, or let me better tell you, actually the polynomial which you have here, right? How many? It is actually R power n minus L minus 1. This is the maximum value of the exponent. So we know that in any polynomial, the maximum number of roots is what? It is the maximum power of the polynomial, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhaiya.
In a cubic polynomial, x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, what is the maximum number of roots here? It is 3, right?
3.
3.
Things like exactly like that. In the polynomial which we have for wave function, it is r power n minus l minus 1, and that's how we have maximum number, or actually the total number of radial nodes to be this. Okay. And similarly, we get number of angular waves from the angular part. That when there is a function, big function and all. I'll give you a hint. Okay, I cannot totally explain you because you will need an equation and all. But in general, this is how we have got. Did you guys get it? How we have got this? How many nodes will be there?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, Bhaiya.
That these kind of question might come. Okay, next year they will give you polynomial. We have already practiced it. Okay, we have already practiced these things, right? That's it. Now you already know that there are n. You can read all these things. Okay, these are all
Yeah.
these things are there. Yeah.
भैया
Yeah.
ग्राफ में जो पीक है वो क्या सिग्निफाई करता है वो?
Maximum probability, right?
मैक्सिमम प्रोबेबिलिटी.
Means maximum electron density. Yeah. Now let's come to here. Okay. Now let's come to this much below here. What did the graph we saw for 2s? We saw graph like this, right? So this you see, the small one, right, is the inner circle. This small one you see, right? This is the lower one, and you see this thing. You see this line.
Yes,
This
भैया.
is the node.
Yes,
This is
Bhaiya.
the node here. This is the node here, and then the maximum probability is here, right? This is what you see here.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Yes,
And
भैया.
these are what? These are radial or angular nodes. What are these nodes?
एंगुलर नोड्स.
Acha?
नहीं रेडियल नोड्स है.
Yeah, because with
These are
radius.
radial.
See, this is with radius. You are having 0 values. Similarly, from this also you can somehow predict what will be the graph of 3s. Psi 3s, right? There will be a small one, then there will be a node. Psi will become 0. Then there will be a little bigger one, and then there will be a node, and then there will be a real big lobe, and then it will slowly go to infinity. So 3s has 2, n minus l minus 1, and 3 minus 0 minus 1, 2 radial nodes. Did you guys understand this?
यस भैया.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So I
Yes,
always
Bhaiya.
used to have this question in my class 10th. How did they even find that this is spherical and p orbital is dumbbell shape and all these things? P orbit is dumbbell shape because the wave function itself is like this. So on both sides you have things like this. This is not negative r, okay? I'm just saying that this is nucleus, and this side you go, it will be probability will be like this. This side you go, probability will be like this. Things like that, okay? And similarly, you get lobes like this. So for p orbital, what we get? See, now I will tell you what is angular and radial node, okay? Now tell me what this graph is. This is 3pz, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
What do you see? Okay, in
Bhaiya, could you please
3pz.
zoom in?
बड़ा ही तो है, लो. This is 3p psi 3pz, right? You see here, right? Now tell me what is the radial node here? Where is the radial node? At what point? Can someone tell me where is the radial node?
Bhaiya, origin.
It's conical. That's a radial, sorry.
The grey part.
Origin, हाँ, it's a radial.
No,
it's a
gray
model
part.
plane.
Yeah, gray part is
How many?
just a plane.
How many nodes here?
One plane. Infinite nodes.
Acha.
Two nodes.
Nodes are only one.
Let us go with calculation, okay? Radial node. How many radial node it should have? 3 minus
N minus L
1
minus 1.
minus
3 minus
1.
1 minus 1.
You should have
one nodal plane.
One node.
one nodal plane.
And how many angular nodes it should have?
One.
Yep.
L is 1. So it should have 1. Now, from origin, as you move to any direction, okay? Any of the direction, do you see anywhere probability becoming zero?
No, bhaiya.
No, bhaiya.
Yes. Hurry, it has to become 0. It has one node. Here.
Oh, हाँ भैया.
अरे as you move from origin you have a probability till here, but यहाँ पास तो सब 0 है ना. ये this is the first radial node.
Yes, bhaiya.
And then you again get things here, and this will actually infinity. This will go till infinity. There is small probability everywhere. Now that is what radial node. Now let's come to angular node. Can someone tell me how many angular nodes? We have already calculated, right? It should have 1. Where is that angular node? Where is that angular node? Let me tell you. Angular nodes is basically if you're changing angle, okay? If you're coming from here to somewhere here, if you're changing angle, okay? Let's say you particularly go on here, okay? There is probability. It's not radially. Now if we come to different angles, let's say from here also there is probability, here also there is probability, but here exactly here there is no probability, right? There is sorry. So as you come here at exactly 90 degree here, 90 degree, after 90 degree probability becomes 0, and then after some distance you will have this. So let's not go to this direction, but similarly here again you will have here. So this is actually angular node. The nodal plane you see, right?
Yes, bhaiya.
This is actually angular node. So if we have, let's say 3px, okay, let's say have the orbit diagram of 3px like this, okay. Now this is r and this is positive lobe, this is negative lobe. How many radial node it will have? 3px, 3 minus 1 minus 1, right? How many?
1.
Yeah. So where is that? If you want to draw a diagram of and show where is this one node, where will you draw?
The
In this diagram?
intersecting point of both the lobes.
No,
Yes, bhaiya.
that's the problem I want to tell you guys. This is what I want to teach you, okay? This is not the radial node. Radial node will be here. As you go from radius, here it will be 0, and then you will again have a probability, and here again it will be 0. So actually the
It
graph
will be
of
like a
2p
solid angle.
Yeah, it's like a solid angle because it's not changing with angle. If it is changing with angle, it will be called angular node. So the graph of 2px will be like this. You will have like this, and here there will be vacuum, okay? There will be vacuum here, and this will be the rest of the lobe. Similarly this side, you will go like this. At this part there will be nothing, it will be missing completely. Electron will be missing here, and then it will be rest of the lobe will be here. So did you get where is the radial node here? This. Did you guys get?
Yes.
Empty
space.
Yeah, this obviously empty space because there is no electron, right? And this thing in 3D version, actually you can even call it 3pz, and in 3D version they have just shown here. This is just in 3D version. You guys see, right? And this plane you see, right? This plane I have just told you, this is the angular node. Now let's come to 3D, okay? 3D xy, okay? X and this is y. This is how we draw the diagram, right? If this is plus randomly, and there is a node here, there should be minus, and after minus, and if you go here, it should again become plus, and since again there is a node here, it should again become minus. So just like just there is a node, there is sign change. Are you guys, this question even comes in PhD interview, okay? And a lot of PhDs are not even able to answer why, what is this plus and minus in the lobe. A lot of PhDs cannot answer this. They think that this is positive overlap or negative overlap, things like that. This is not the overlap or anything, constructive or destructive interference. It is the sign of wave function. You have just seen, right? It becomes plus and then minus and like that. So here it is plus, here it is minus. This is just the value of wave function. It has no physical significance. Are you guys getting it? Now this is the 3dx, right? How many radial nodes? Here? Someone tell me. 3. Okay. No. Lipi, tell me. Lipi. How will you calculate?
Bhaiya, may I?
What is the
minus L minus 1.
3 minus L minus. What is L? 2, right?
Bhaiya 2 minus 1.
Minus 1.
So it should be 0.
Should be 0. No radial node.
Yes,
And how many angular nodes?
equals to L, that is 2.
L equals to 2, right? Can someone
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me where is the radial and where is the angular node?
रेडियल तो है ही नहीं and
Radial तो है नहीं कहीं, right? Angular is there.
X and Y axis.
Yes, so this is one angular node and this is second angular node.
Yes, bhaiya.
Are you guys able to understand? So when there was P, there was this angular node because there was P equals to 1, right? P equals to 1, right? L of P is 1, right? So there was one angular node. And in D, which is equal to 2, there are two angular nodes. In F is 3, right? How many angular nodes? 3. So we don't know. I have never seen the diagram of F, but most probably it should be something like this. This, like this. Most probably. We don't know. I have not seen the diagram of F orbital till now. So are you guys getting it?
Bhaiya. So ये nodal plane is a different thing from this radial nodes.
Nodal plane is a part of angular node.
And it's a part of angular node. Okay.
Yeah. Now let's say it was 3p x, and the diagram will be what? 3px. Diagram would be. Let me just change the color. No, not 3ps. Let's still take d only. Okay. Let's say 4dxy. Okay. What will be the diagram? We will have like this, and like this, plus minus. Okay. How many radial node?
0.
Acha.
1.
अभी
4 minus 2 minus 1. There will be one radial node.
3D.
How many angular nodes?
2.
2.
What are those two angular nodes?
X axis and Y axis.
X axis, Y
Yes,
axis.
these are two angular nodes. Now, what is the radial node? Where is the radial node?
बीच में से एक सर्कल ऐसे.
No red.
Let me tell you. Huh? What is the radial node?
भैया वो बीच में ही होगा.
सर्कल कट रहा होगा like in the P orbital.
Exactly. यहाँ there will be something missing. Similarly here, it will be missing. Here. This will be missing. So the actual diagram will be. Let me just draw it better. Okay. So the actual diagram will be. You know what will be the actual diagram? Actual diagram will be like this here, and then there will be vacuum, and then things like this. Okay. Similarly here, and there will be this cut and this here, and then here, Are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So, and today the topic is done. Okay, all I wanted to teach you and all. So now if you all notice, when I say it is radial node at same distance, okay, when I say, right, we found out, right, r equals to 2a upon z, right, we find out, right. Let's say z is hydrogen atom, okay, z is 1 and a is what, Bohr's atomic radii, right, 0.52 angstrom, right. So at 2 into 5.52 angstrom is what, 1 angstrom. So at distance of 1 angstrom from radius, at distance of 1 angstrom from radius, in all the places which are r equals to 1 angstrom away, the probability of finding electron will be 0. Did you guys get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhaiya.
What
Yes,
I'm
we
telling, this r equals to 2a by z is coming from here. It is coming from here, this thing 2s, psi 2s. We just found out na, zr minus up a, this thing equals to 0.
Yes, Bhaiya.
वही वाला. Anyone who did not understand anything till now? And that's how we get, see, radial nodes and angular nodes. These
Bhaiya.
are the things you can all read. And yeah, angular nodes for d orbital will be these planes, and all this I want you all to read. Okay. Yeah. yeah. Say, we are already out of time. Yeah.
Yes, भैया. भैया मैं बोल रहा कि भूल गया. हाँ, वो इक्वेशन जो थी वो 2s की थी ना इक्वेशन. I mean 2 minus zr by. So, but वो जो हम लोगों ने ऑर्बिटल जो बनाया.
Yeah. I just gave you example, like 4D orbital है, ये तो 4dx orbital है. I just gave you example कि if we get a value, right, when we calculate through r, we can even have psi for 4dx, right, and we will solve this and we'll get things like this.
Okay.
We will find out there will be a polynomial of r square 2rs plus something like this. We'll find out r equals to 0 at some part here.
Okay, so we have I mean all the equations.
That's how we have even drawn these things. Okay, that's how we have got all these things.
Yes, भैया.
That's how we have got all of these things. Now this
all
is
included in our notes.
Yeah. What?
Is this all included in our notes? I mean.
Yeah, this is not extra thing I'm telling you. Okay, these 2 days of chapters, yesterday and today, everything is in the syllabus and should be in your notes. This was really important thing. That's why I taught extra things. Yeah. क्या?
ग्राफ और वो जो इक्वेशन था वो नहीं है नोट्स में, एडिट हुआ लगता है पीडीएफ.
ये नया हुआ. We'll update this notes. Okay, we'll update this. We'll update this. But what I wanted you all to remember, yesterday's story, how this all happened, and today, see, yesterday was a story. Today will be the problems. Okay, question आएंगे from what I taught you today. कि question तो कल से भी आ सकता है. You know, what will be the like theoretical 4 marks question जो मैंने बोला था कि from Hamiltonian and all those things, they might ask conceptual things, but mostly questions can be from here, to calculate radial nodes, to how many angular nodes and how many radial nodes are there, what is the significance, what is even the sign change. Most professional definition of a node is sign change. They can even ask you the thing I have asked you, right? What is the significance of plus minus in d orbital or p orbital when we say plus minus, all these things. So I want all of you to remember. Okay, now there is something called Girard and Ungirard, which is a bit out of I don't think it is that much needed, and you need to know center of inversion. So I'm skipping for now, but if you guys can read this, it is also a bit important. So if you can read this and understand this, you can Google what is center of inversion, and you will find Wikipedia and you will be able to understand. Okay, you can also read this. And then there is selection rule. So this is also a bit out of syllabus, but you should be able to, you can also read it for your extra information, because we never know in the next what questions might come. Now, if you all remember, where did all this structure of atom start? Where did this structure of atom start? It started with spectra, okay? It started with hydrogen spectra. All people wanted to know is that how do we even get spectra? How do you explain all these behaviors? Why do we have these things? Okay? And how do we now explain? We say that there is N. There is transition between different N. And even N, there are L, right? And even in L, there are M, L. So if N is 3, L will be what? -3? No.
0, 1, 2,
It will
1.
be 0,
-1, 0, 1.
2. No. And ML.
Oh,
ML will be for each of this. For each of this, there will be ML. ML will be here 0. Here it will be -1, 0, 1. And here it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, +2. Yeah. So this is how we are explaining these lines. Okay. For N, let's say N equals to 3, we have L. What is the L? 0, 1, 2. This is L. For each L, we have ML. ML is 0 here. ML is here. It is again 3. -1, 0, 1. And here it is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And this is how we have got the structure of atom. And this is how we have got now what you all have seen, right? Now, did you guys understand what now? Let me see, tell you one more thing, just last topic, and we'll stop here. Let's now draw the structure of atom. Okay, let's say this is Y, this is Z, this is X, and this is Z. And now let me draw. First we'll draw what? S orbit, 1s. Okay, for hydrogen atom there is a 1 electron here. Okay, hello, are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's draw 1s. What will be the diagram of 1s? It will be something like this, without any radial or angular node, right? So most probably this is what? This is electron density. It's electron density, like probability density of electron. This is 1s, right? Actually there is no node, so I should just cover this nucleus totally. This is 1s. Then okay, we are done. Now let us draw 2p. What is 2p? 2p is from here, it is 2px is this. This is 2px, even till here, and this is 2py, and this is 2pz, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me also draw z2 minus z, and this is -y, and this is -x. Now let me just change the color. Sorry, let me change the color, and yeah, let's draw something. Now what after p we have? D. Where is the D? We have dxy, dyz, dz. Wait, we also have y, xy, yz, zx, dx square minus y square, and dz square, right? So let's first draw the dz square. Let me take some other color. Yeah, or maybe blue. So we will draw a dz square. This is the z, right? And we have a lobe here. So we have a lobe here, and this is much bigger anyway. This is much bigger than p, and this is the z square. Okay, that was z square. Now we'll draw xy. Xy will come somewhere here, like this, in xy plane, and then similarly yz will be in yz plane, things like this, and similarly then zx will be in zx plane, so like this. So what I'm doing essentially is that in yz plane I'm drawing like this, yz. Similarly in xz I'm drawing like this. Similarly in yx I'm drawing like this. And then for xy I will draw x square minus y square, I will draw on the plane. So now I will draw it on the plane. So like this. So are you guys able to get a feel that how everything is becoming spherical? Ultimately,
Yes, भैया.
Yes, bhaiya.
yeah. So that's
Yes,
what the
भैया.
field I wanted to give you. So ultimately, it is all becoming spherical. There are some reasons when the probability will be 0, and actually but yeah, that's it. So this is the structure of atom which we have got.
Messed up.
Now we are done with the chapter. We have finally found out the structure of atom, which was the title of the chapter. Okay,
बहुत
congratulations
organized लग
guys.
रहा है.
Yeah.
बहुत organized लग रहा है एकदम.
ठीक है. I don't think there is anyone till now. I have never found, even my professors have not taught the structure of atoms this way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got the feel how things started.
Yes, sir.
What is the whole story? Even in the story, what are the technical things and how everything is put into the together to make and form the structure of atom. And we are explaining the spectra and various observations of an atom, behavior of an atom. Now these things will be useful in periodic chapter of periodic table when we will discuss orbital. Now this was the basis. Okay, this was the basis of orbital. Orbital is what? The space where finding the probability of electron is high. So that's how the term came, orbital instead of orbit, right? So Bohr said that let's say example, like Bohr didn't know there is 1s orbital, but let's say there is orbit. Bohr said there will be just one circle here. What Schrodinger said? No, you're wrong. Electron can be anywhere here. So he said this will be the 1s orbital. Now in periodic table, now you will take orbital for granted. See, in periodic table, what we will study? We will study orbit penetration. Right? Someone asked me, Ved asked me that question that day. What is orbit penetration? Then we will talk about how close an orbit is to the nucleus. Because of it is close to the nucleus, it will shield the outer orbits. So let's say that p orbital is here, right? P orbit is here, but d orbit is really far away. D orbit is here. D orbit is like this. So these electrons will be shielded by these, right? And this is what we are going to study. So here is your basis of everything. That why are we even talking about the orbital is here. Then we will assume that okay, we already know everything about orbit. Now we will start talking in terms of orbits in periodic table, and then we will come to chemical binding. And there we will discuss, that bond is formed when orbits have overlap. Here we will come to chemical bonding, and what we will do, we will form molecule. We will say H and H will come together and they will form orbits. Now there are various theories again. There is VBT theory and VSEPR theory, other theories. Then finally comes MOT, molecular orbital theory, which then again tells you that if there is a constructive interference, because electron is what? It is a wave, right? If there is constructive, then these nucleus, you have electron density will be more between the nucleus. If there is destructive interference, there will be a node. And this will be the molecular orbital. We'll come to that anyways. So I hope you got the feel. And now once you have already the molecule, then we will go to states of matter. See how organized it is. Now we'll get to states of matter, that how H2 interacts. Yeah.
एक दिन में एक क्लास खत्म हो गई.
हाँ चलो, थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गया था. हाउ चलो फिर भी थोड़ा बता ही देता हूँ कि how these molecules interact. And why is H2 gas or it is a liquid and all that. After it is liquid solid, we'll go to thermodynamics. And after thermodynamics, we'll go to redox reactions and p-block and other things. So this is how it is.
Kinetic theory रह गया.
It's so beautiful भैया.
कोई नहीं, चलो. Okay guys, so बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले लिया मैंने, और ठीक है. तो अगर कोई डाउट है अभी भी, you all can discuss in the doubt clearing session, and we'll have doubt clearing session. We'll see when we can have. But this chapter is over, and this was really important topic I wanted you all to know.